Hi, and welcome back to Define. In today's quick lesson, we will go through tenses. Tenses are grammatical categories that indicate the time of an action, event, or condition as expressed by a verb. It helps communicate when something happens and for how long it happened. In English, there are three primary tenses: past, present, and future, each of which can be further divided into four aspects to show different time-related nuances. Can you identify whether the events in the following statements occur in the past, the present, or will happen in the future? Pause the video now to test yourself. The answers will be revealed right after. Tenses have categories because they add more details. It would have been easy if time was the only detail included in the tenses of English language. But there are other details also included. By focusing on whether the sentence conveys the ongoing nature, completion, or duration leading up to another action, you can identify which category or aspect of tenses is being referred. This helps you to see beyond the time, understanding more about the action state and relevance to other events. Simple tenses showcase actions that are generally true. Continuous tenses show actions that are ongoing in nature at a particular time. Perfect tenses show actions that are completed or will be completed, and the perfect continuous is a combination of continuous tense and perfect tenses highlighting both completion and the ongoing nature of actions. Simple tenses provide information about the action itself. It does not focus on any other nuances of the tenses. These are generally used to convey habits, general statements, or facts. Here are the best scenarios to use simple tenses in. Continuous tense. Continuous tenses, while relatively straightforward in construction, can also convey complex meanings and nuances depending on context, usage, and additional elements such as time clauses, interruptions, and simultaneous actions. These tenses add a layer of context by showing the action as ongoing or in progress at a specific moment in time. This detail helps others understand that the action is temporary, in progress, or likely to be interrupted, rather than a completed or habitual action. Continuous tenses are straightforward, but their complexity arises from their application in sentences. Elements like multiple actions, interruptions, conditions, and comparisons can deepen meaning. Their interplay with other grammatical structures allows for nuanced expression, making them versatile tools in English. Perfect tenses. Perfect tenses are essential for showing relationships, relevance, and sequence that simple tenses alone don't convey as clearly. They help create timelines within sentences that highlight when and how events connect to one another. For example, simple past tense can state two separate actions like he left, I arrived. But the past perfect, he had left before I arrived, clarifies the sequence, showing that his leaving was already completed before my arrival. The simple past lacks this nuanced connection. The best situations to use this are the following. Perfect continuous tense. By combining time, duration, and continuity, perfect continuous tenses allow speakers to create vivid pictures of actions and their effects over time, adding depth and nuance to communication. The situations for the best use of this tense are shown here. Can you figure out which tenses are used in the following sentences? Pause the video or find the answer before they are revealed. Make sure to like this video, share it with someone you know, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This keeps us motivated in creating more learning videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.